The Defense Director of Media Operations, Major General Edward Buba, has revealed that Troop of Operation Delta Safe has apprehended 59 suspected oil theft criminals, destroyed 38 dig-out pits, 21 boats, 57 storage tanks, and 34 illegal refinery sites, exposed Operation Delta Safe success in duties. This was unveiled during the Defense bi-weekly press briefing held in Abuja.
Now, a look at the South-South, where we have Operation Delta Safe. Troops of Operation Delta Safe arrested 59 suspected oil thieves and other criminal elements. They destroyed 38 dugout pits, 21 boats, 57 storage tanks, and 34 illegal refining sites, among others. Safe maintained momentum against the activities of crude oil theft. Troops destroyed several illegal refining sites and recovered stolen products. Troops also raided criminal hideouts and foiled robbery activities in Okwe and Akankpa local government area of Delta and Cross River states, respectively. For instance, troops apprehended 11 suspected oil thieves. They discovered and destroyed 38 dugout pits, 21 boats, 57 storage tanks, 10 vehicles, among others. Troops also destroyed 34 illegal refining sites. Troops recovered over 690 liters of stolen crude oil, over 54,000 liters of illegal refined AGO, and 1,000 liters of PMS. For instance, on the 18th of September, troops received a distress call on suspected armed robbery activities in Okwe, local government area of Delta State. Troops mobilized to the scene. Citing troops, the criminals fled, abandoning the hostages. Troops recovered 3 victims, rescued 3 victims, and recovered 1 motorcycle. The air component of Operation Delta Safe conducted air interdiction at Kautron Channel. Troops sighted active illegal refining sites with reservoirs and storage tanks containing illegal refining products. Troops engaged with rockets and cannons, destroying the equipment and structures.
However, Major General Edward urges Nigerians to work hand in hand with the military to help combat insecurity.
If we all work together in a common interest, we should be able to flush them out and end the nuisance that they are causing to the security across our country.
Atonda Babatunde, GTV Africa.